Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set caller ID announcement in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to this call button and go to these three vertical dots and click on settings here, and here select answering and ending calls. Here you will have an option read caller names aloud. Turn on this button and now make a call, or you can, if you receive any call, caller ID will be announced. Once again I am showing, but here it is set to over Bluetooth and headphones only. So click that and click on always, so that you can hear if you don't use any Bluetooth device or headset. Okay, I am checking now.
Jury print.
Caller ID announcement is done. Thurai prints is read aloud. Okay, so in this way you can easily do caller ID announcement. Once again I am checking. Listen here. What I see here.
Jury print.
Thurai prints. Okay. So in this way you can easily do caller ID announcement in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.